Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio. So today, I've been asked this a lot. So you want to be a bartender. You want to learn how to bartend. Well, that's what we're going to do today. The most important thing that you can do as a bartender is you need to learn how to pour. If you don't know how to pour, can't make drinks. So every bartender is like someone making a cake. All the ingredients, all the measurements have to go together just right to make that drink taste just right. There's reasons why things are the way they are. Like when you sit at home and you try to make a drink and it doesn't taste like that one at the bar. You just got to make sure that the measurements are just correct. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to work on teaching you guys how to pour. Okay, so first thing, go to your local liquor store, grab you guys a liter of cheap whiskey, vodka, whatever you want to do, and you can drink it, dump it down the drain, do whatever you want to do. And then what you're going to do is pull the labels and everything off your bottle, and then fill it up with some water. Fill it all the way up to the top with water, because we don't want to practice with liquor. We don't want to do that. So then you're going to also want to go to the store, get yourself a good pour spout. Could be plastic, could be metal, do whatever. Ask them for a good pour spout. So now you have a liter bottle with a good pour spout, full of water. Now, we're not doing this with regular alcohol. Okay, so you don't have to buy a kit. You don't have to go and do all these crazy things to learn how to do this. What you do need to get you a jigger, and one side is 1 ounce, the other side is 1.5 ounces. This right here is all you need right here to learn how to pour. Get yourself a shot glass, and what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to pour into the shot glass. We're going to fill the 1 ounce side until you get that correct and you get the feeling on how to do this. So first thing you're going to want to do is you want to grab the bottle by the neck like here, okay? And when you go to pour, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the bottle goes straight up and down. You don't want to do this. You don't want to do any of this other stuff. You want to do, let me put that back on. You want to dump it right up and down, just like this. You want it to come straight out like that, okay? Okay, also, on the top of the pour spout, you'll see these holes. Don't get used to putting your hand up here or doing any of this other stuff, because these are breathing holes, and this causes the liquor to stop. So if you cover that breathing hole, it's going to come half out, whatever. You want it to come full out, full bore, just like that. Okay? So, first thing to do, okay? When you look at bartenders and you guys are always wondering what they're doing, and you're always like, they're never looking up, they're never doing anything. What are they doing? They're counting. You don't even understand it. They're going around. They're not looking at you because they're being rude. They're counting when they're making their drinks. So, to do 1 ounce, you got to count to yourself 1, 2, 3, 4. And you got to figure out the speed that you do it to fill up that 1 ounce. So you'll also get the like different pour spouts feel a little different when you pour them, and you'll get into that as you get going. But what you want to do is you want to count to 4. So turn it upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So you take that, pour that into your 1 ounce jigger. Of course, I dropped a little on the side, but that is 1 ounce. I know you can't see it, but I'll do some close-ups here in a second. So what you want to do is keep practicing on that. So every drink is made in ounces. So something will call for 1/4 ounce, 1/2 ounce, a full ounce, 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces. You count. So when you want an ounce, you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your ounce. You want a 1/2 ounce? 1, 2. You want a 1/4 ounce? Usually it's just a splash, or you can even go 1. So once you get those down in your drinks, you can figure out how to make any single drink that you have ever heard of. So like when there's 2 ounces, 8 count. So, for example, let's do this other side. This is 1.5 ounces. So that's going to be a 6 count. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take that, pour that in there. There's your 1.5 ounces right there. I don't know, you can't see it, but so once you get those counts down, you can make any drink at all. So you want to grab the bottle, like I said, like this. When you're going, make sure the nozzle is turned toward your drink. It makes it a lot easier. You're going to see other guys do this. I'm guilty of this when I'm running fast. Doesn't make it right. Don't do it. Grab it like this, okay? You don't want to do 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to short somebody's drink. Make sure it's turned upside down, full bore, let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pour it in your shot and your jigger. Of course, I spilled a little bit, but it's 1 ounce. So this is very, very important to any bar that you're going to work at. Once you guys can get your pour counts down, a bar owner can trust you to bartend, okay? Okay, guys, let's do this close up. Now we got our bottle. Remember, it goes straight up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know I splash and do whatever off the sides, but ooh, 1 ounce, or as close as possible. And I want you to do this over and over again until you get this right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut the bottle, pour it in. Look at that, 1 ounce. This is why we use water. This would all be wasted liquor. We'll just use water. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, so now once you do this a while and you get a little bit more comfortable, turn it upside down and try the 6 count. Try the 1.5 ounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ba-ba. So once you get that countdown, you'll realize that you can start making everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, that's how it is. Once you get that down, guys, you can make any drink that you want. You can sit there, make all your basic drinks. You want a Jack and Coke, you want a rum and Coke, you want this, you want that, whatever. They're all usually about 1 ounce. Some other bars do 1.5 ounces. Some bars do 1.25 ounces. It just depends on their owner and their management how much alcohol they want in their drinks. So once you can get these pour counts down, you can make any drink at all. Okay guys, I hope all this helps you guys. The whole point of this video was to help you guys get your pour counts down, figure out how to make some drinks. We'll be making some more videos in the future, doing more of this on there. I hope you guys enjoy it. For any shots and drinks, check out the rest of my channel. We have all that stuff in there. We have the measurements of the shots and drinks. Until our next video, I'll see you then.